What's up, everybody? This is Masada. I'm going to keep this short. Let's just start making beats with Masada MIDI Progression 7 and Cycle Kit 6. I just found the progression I want to mess around with. I'm in A. You know, something simple. So I will record that. I need some drums, so I'm going to go to Masada Cycle Kit 6. Basically, I'm just going to take the snare from Kit 9. So we got a loop here. And the cool thing about the loops are they're all tempo matched, right? They're all warped, even in standalone. They sound pretty good. So I took a piano. So basically, I use that same progression that's Horror Track 2 from Masada MIDI Progressions 7. I use the same progression to play all these out. You know, just keep it simple, stupid, right? So I basically started off with this. Got the kick. Got one with the loop in. A second loop. Piano. And you know I love using halftimes. Alright, that's it. Respect.